Tech Talk with Tony, where we're going to go over all of the equipment that we use for filming. And today we got this new tripod because our cameraman Dylan is tired of not having a good tripod. So, to start out with, this is a ONN that we got from Walmart, 66-inch tripod. And first off, I like that it has a carrying case. Very convenient because we're very mobile whenever we're doing our filming. We do various locations, so that'll help us keep everything organized. This looks very simple. Everything's one piece. You don't have to assemble a bunch of stuff. So to start, we have this where you can narrow and you can expand the footprint, and when you get it where you want it at, you tighten up and then it stays in place. Now, this goes up to 66 inches tall, and it has two completely separate segments of leg that can snap in place for a very tall tripod, or you can adjust it to any custom height that you need. So that is very versatile. It's got good feet on it that also swivel to kind of take into account for different terrain. Now, we have some really good features here that I like. I'd like to point out that it has a level here, and it also has a level on top where the camera's going to be at. So you can do some micro adjusting of the elevation of this knob. When you get it where you want it, you tighten this up, and it keeps it from moving up and down. And once you get to the top here, you can adjust this way, and then you can also adjust this way where your camera is going to be at. And it has a tensioner here as well. That way when you get it set, it won't move. And then you can loosen it and you can swivel as well. 360 degrees that way. You can rotate it in this direction, and then you can also get an angle by loosening this and going that way. So, seems like a very good build quality. I'm going to extend it to its maximum height, just for reference. As you can see, for $35, this is a very nice tripod. It's got a lot of features, and it has the level here so you can make sure that the tripod stands level. And if you're trying to get a level here, you can also do that. It has that option in there. And then you're all set and done. You can put it all back to a very small package, and instead it comes with a carrying case. Everything's very easy to use, very solid. These locks work very well. So we're going to go over a few more features of this tripod. First, it's made out of aluminum, so it's incredibly light, which is very nice, especially when you're packing a lot of equipment around. It has the phone mount, like I said earlier. It also has the GoPro mount, which will just screw right onto the screw here, and you can mount your GoPro. This plate here actually comes off this clip, so you can access the bottom of the screw for mounting your hardware pieces on here. And once that's mounted on there, you can even put your phone in there. You draw this clip back, you put that back in and release it. It also has these oversized feet with rubber grips on them so that it doesn't slide easily. It has the chassis bubble on there, and another bubble here, so you can level all of your equipment. And it only weighs 2.6 pounds. we'll demonstrate. Alright, to show the audience how stable it is. And as I said earlier, you could actually just take this off if you didn't want to take your phone in and out. And then you can move this, get it set up wherever you want it. Put it back in. You're ready to go. And disassembly is very easy. No tools required for any of this. Everything clips together, has knobs. Set that down. Pull that in and it's ready to go back in the bag.